Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix EAFC25 controller inputs on PC. So, in this case, if you're having problems with your EAFC25 controller, or whether you're playing a game using a control here and you're having some problems, well, in this case, there are a few things that you could do here. So, in this case, searching for a solution online, we actually came across with this specific thread here. So, this user is also having problems with their controller on their PC with the EAFC25 here. And according to him, the following steps actually worked whenever he tries playing the EAFC25. So in this case, what we need to do is you first need to look for EAFC25 on your Steam. You want to go to the properties and you want to turn off the Steam input. And from then on, you want to go to big picture and from then on launch the actual game. Now, how do we exactly do this on our Steam? Well, it's fairly easy. You want to go ahead and open up Steam here, and you want to go to your library here, and you want to look for EAFC25. So for example, we have this one. Let's go and right click on it, and you want to go to properties. Now from here, you want to go to the control section here. Let's go and click on it, and you want to go to override for the game. Let's go to the use default settings option. This is the default option we have here, and you want to click on disable Steam input. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to actually close the option or the properties here. Now, from here, you want to go to the top left here, and you want to go to the view tab here, and you want to go to big picture mode. Now, once you click on it, Steam would actually boot it up, and you should be able to see the big picture mode here, which in this case, you should be able to basically launch the game from then on. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.